It always warms my heart every single time. They say, this makes me feel just like when I was at my grandmother's house. Ultimately, for me, it's about expressing love to people in the way of baking. It's not a big thing. It's not overly complicated. It's really just about like, where's your heart? I'm Devonna Banks. I reside in Pasadena, California, and I'm the proud owner of Butter Bakery. I've owned a business before, but it has nothing to do with baking at all. The challenge was that you have to have a job, obviously, so you can take care of your children and have a roof over your head and blah, blah, blah. But I needed something for me. Like, I needed to be full. I baked a lot, but I didn't really think of it as a business per se, not at first. I just thought, I love this so much, and all I want to do is bake every single day. It wasn't a thing of, oh, I'm just gonna open a bakery business. I didn't think about that at all. I didn't feel like that was where I was drawn to, or that this is the business that I should go into, or any of those things. It was more about, oh, this is something I think is fun. This is something that I love to do anyway. And it wasn't until I saw that people really liked the things that I make from a perspective of, oh, I'll pay for it. Butter Bakery is the taste of warm chocolate chip cookies. It's delectable butter pound cakes. It's warm, even peach cobbler and ice cream. It's all the things that you have in the comfort of being at your grandma's house. That's who we are. That's what we do. As much as I would love very much to have a brick and mortar, but it's a little challenging trying to find an actual space for the business. Very much online presence. Currently, we're not operating in one set place. It's either commercial kitchens. I've even used schools. I've used church kitchens, my own kitchen. It's just, I'm all over the place right now, just getting it done, making things work. So the challenge in that is having to take everything you have everywhere you go. So you have just lots of stuff to lug every single day. I just kind of feel like people don't really respect your business if they don't see it in an actual building. People tend to not take you seriously. So they think, this is a hobby, and it's really not. Baking is something that I love, and I love every day that I wake up before the sun gets up. Regardless of what things come my way, none of that really matters to me because I love what I do. And I'm super passionate about it every single day, no matter what that looks like. And even if it seems to other people like it's a challenge or that it's frustrating or what have you, nothing in me, nothing outside of me makes me feel like, oh, I don't want to do this anymore. Because every day, this is all I want to do. I just want to get up and I want to bake and I want to do what I do, and that's it. So there is no real challenge, if you will, not for me, not to me. So right now I'm waiting for a building. I've already submitted a letter of intent. And so hopefully they'll come back to me before the new year. And I don't know if I should say that because of the timing, but yeah. So it's been about a month since we interviewed last. And from that point till now, the property management company reached out and offered me the building. So I'm super excited that Butter Bakery will now have its own space. From a personal level, all of this is surreal. It doesn't even seem like a reality. For Butter Bakery though, it feels like it's supposed to be. When I started Butter Bakery, I had a 5-pound bag of sugar, a 5-pound bag of flour. I had a pack of butter, and I thought this 5-pound bag of sugar right here will eventually become 5,000 pounds. If there's something that you love, it's something that's way on the inside. It doesn't matter what people think. It doesn't matter what people say. It doesn't matter what people make you feel like, even in that moment. If you love it enough, do it. Don't allow your drive and your passion and your love for something to go to the grave with you. Don't go there with regret. Leave it for everybody else. That's why you have it. All of these things are deposited in us for the benefit of everybody around us. I would like to be able to touch people. I would like to be able to touch them in their heart with just the little things that I do. And to me, they seem small because this is what I do every day. But sometimes that's all that matters. Sometimes that's all that really is needed. Sometimes people just need cookies because cookies are good. inevitably, I know that working as hard as I do, that I will get the things that I want from this. So that's why I keep doing it. I'm Devonna Banks, the proud owner of Butter Bakery, where things are always homemade from scratch.
Oh, yes.